very late session. We're stuck with something else before. Reminiscing. Lunchtime session. Mad delays. There we go. Well, the security man said he's gonna kill himself. I saw him on the train stations. So I'm feeling that way myself. Nothing going good at all. Went to our kids' cafe, cheese, coffee and tea. Couldn't get enough. Whoa, ain't it bad, bad, bad? And you can't know it ain't so good when you're young. And the bus don't come. I'm going for a job. When it arrived, it all closed down. Redundancy, everything bad. And if they keep trouble, it's all about money. And I went outside, the man behind the counter got a 25-pound ponytail. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Life drives you wild. I can't cope no more. Stuck in a bed shit. I lost my home. Quarter of the price. And neighbors, you know they've always been in Spain. Security, and a speed dealer died of a stroke. Lights come down even more. Running down in circles for the door. And a welfare man said he's gonna shoot himself. Can't survive on the way. You're right. Life we're living, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, I really don't care. Why now? But I got people I should love, but it never seems to bother me. I got people I really love, grandchildren too. Some tend to kill me, more times they don't. Well, I'm high and mighty in my mind. Well, I'm high and mighty in my mind, but I'm a bum. I was born that way, all going down to the cities. I got free travel to life. Nowhere's worth traveling to. See my ex-wife, she looks half dead as well. Hard times, no folks seem like they was in '64, and nothing to say, no Vietnam War, no things to protest, and nobody to shoot like Martin Luther King. Is that nice? Well, politics means nothing at all. Wanna smile at what they say, and they got a £1,000,000 background, millions, or maybe four. I might try for president. I might try. What you say, I don't know. All meaningless, meaningless, meaningless. sitting on a wall. Stole a can of 7 of got me on camera, not worth chasing. I'm going home soon. Where's home? What's home? What's anything new? Just a word. Just a word. Living with your wife. What a travesty. Can't be said. Can't be nothing new. They got children, they grow. It costs big money. Goodbye 10 Rolls Royces. What you spend on private school. Nothing news, nothing knows. Oh well, you wanna get them into politics too. Yeah, I put my Def Leppard record on. Why, what's the meaning? Don't really know. Stopping now, terrorists did a bomb threat on 9 o'clock. Didn't see it, someone told me my friend Ryan. He's in a panic 'cause we live next door. Yeah, yeah, they got someone up against the wall. Someone knocking at the door, it's a psychiatric nurse. So what you want? What you want now? I think you got it wrong number. Said no, it's yours. Wrong number. I put the lights down. Got out my speed. I think I had an acid trip. I'm too high to think straight. Might get dressed and go to the city again. Meet someone living on the street. Who's better off? This council job. I'm burgled every day. Burgled every day. Nothing left to burgle. Council bailiffs took my car away, took my life away.